Hey guys, Mike Martin here. So another post for the YouTube channel. I just thought today, well in fact I was thinking about it yesterday. I was looking at some of our customers and we've had a ton of customers coming through and getting some great success recently with the ads. Ads to Success Masterclass really helped, and obviously the agency ads webinar really helped. David created some ad campaigns that literally as soon as you put them up, bang, they just profitable straight out the gate. And I think a problem with that is, okay, that is if you're given something that's profitable right out the gate, then you'd have a tendency to think, okay, shit, it works, boom, I'll just sit on my hands, let it make me money, and off we go, okay? But other business owners won't do that. They won't sit on their hands. And these ad campaigns will work straight out the gate and they're going to work consistently. So I looked at some of the promotions and marketing things that we've done over the years to see what really gave us the most bang for our buck, what increased our return on investment the most, and a couple of things I came up with. So for example, I'm in my kitchen the other day chatting to my missus about something to do with work. Can't remember what it was, and she kind of said to me, she turned around and she said, yeah, that makes sense, right? We're talking about something being rare, okay, and why it's worth more value and why it costs more. And she basically said, yeah, I know exactly what you mean. She said, if I go onto a website and something is limited, I look and I think, should I? If I go back and it's gone, she'll scour the internet to find it. She'll scour the internet, find it, buy it, even if it's more expensive, right? Which is crazy. So this rarity thing works. Now, a way we can use this in lead generation and ads when we're selling, now split test this, guys, because everybody's in different industries and it won't work for all industries, okay? But a great way of utilizing this is on your page saying we're looking for 3 businesses in this industry to work with who we're going to sell leads to, for example, okay? Now, if you're making it rare that there's only 3, then you have to say something on the page that says 2 spots are already gone, last spot. If you want it apply quick, I think you'll get a lot more people applying to at least sit down and have a proper conversation with you about buying leads from you, what the process is, because they want to be that last business, okay? So I think that's one really big is rarity. In fact, it was a guy called Michael Bowes, a great marketer, who introduced me to it. He asked me once, do you know what FOMO is? And I was like, no, what's that? It's fear of missing out. That fear of missing out is apparently stronger than the fear of gain. So much so that in some of our webinars, what we do is we read out what you're going to get in the offer, and then we flip it and we say, and if you don't jump on today, this is what you're going to miss out. And we go back through all of the offer and explain it again that way. And that's why we get the most sales at that point, as over the top of when we're actually reading through the offer and giving them the price at the first time. So it does actually work. Another thing is social proof. And if you did mine and David's webinar, the agency ads webinar, you'll see that we had a lot of people that was getting a hell of a lot of success, and their customers, just like you guys, who purchased the webinar, jumped on with the thing, and actually got great success. Those stories, if you put some of them onto your actual opt-in page, remember an opt-in page is designed to do one thing. There's only one action the person's allowed to take on there, yeah? That action is, that's why David's created the pages the way he's created them, is they have to fill in the information and become and then want to maybe speak to you about either buying leads from you, or the opposite way around, is fill in their information and you pass that information over to your lead buyers and make a shit ton of cash out of it. So what you want to be doing is, sales page has one action to fill in the form. You want to start using something along the lines, we're looking for just 3 businesses, we're looking for less businesses, we're only looking for this many customers to work with, we're trying to find one person in this area to work with that does this, who wants to buy leads in this industry. Doesn't matter if you're working with 10 people, they'll fill in the form and they'll do the application. Applications is also another great thing to use, but we'll talk about that in a different video, okay? Making people actually apply, and then obviously get some social proof on the bottom of there. Look, this is Frank from this place. He'd been trying to do ads for years, he's struggling like crazy, or he's been trying to get leads from leads providing companies for years. He was struggling like mad. He came to us, and in his first few months he did this, and then obviously there's his testimonial. Those type of testimonials really get people to jump on board quick, especially if they know it's a limited opportunity and you're only going to be doing it for very few people. I just nearly hit something. My car was beeping, telling me. Terrible fucking driver. Anyway, guys, hope you liked it. Speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye.